Alright everybody, this is replacing a light bulb for the Singer 301. First thing you want to do is make sure you unplug your machine. Plan with a flat-headed screwdriver. Remove these two screws. To remove the bulb, push in, rotate away from you. Got this nice fancy new LED light. And there's two slots that these need to slide into, slightly push in and move. Then put the cover plate back and tighten these two screws. Exciting. Now we'll plug it back in. And check your light. Nice bright LED. That's it. To remove the cover plate, remove these two screws. Enjoy.